Hello everyone, Chrissy here from Color Street. I am making my Vizzlie party shell in Vizzlie.com. So if you're not familiar with what Vizzlie is, it's a third-party app where you can actually store templates for regular parties, mystery hostess parties, and even something else that is absolutely amazing, which I will say at the end if I remember. I'm sure this is going to go into another video, but right now I'm in the process of adding in my posts. So I'm just going to show you where I'm at right now. This is basically what I have set up so far. I went ahead and I hit templates and Facebook. And you can do email templates, you can do texting templates, you can have like a text party, I guess, if you want to go ahead and do that. And you can get this for free. You can track one group a month for free. Otherwise, you can pay the $10 a month and have an unlimited amount of groups tracked. So, Color Street is not the only thing I do. I also do some other things, and I even own like a coupon blog. So this is good for me because I can just kind of schedule out a bunch of different posts to all my different groups and have them automatically come out. The best part about a party template is we can share templates amongst each other. And I can literally give you my template code and you can import it and all of my posts are going to automatically come in. It's going to take you literally 2 seconds to set up an entire party. So right now I'm working on adding in my custom template for me personally. So it has in there pictures of me and stuff personal about me. And then I'm also going to make a completely generic party template with generic photos of nail strips and things like that. And I will leave it to where you can add into your own personalization or just let the party be completely generic, which is fine as well. I'm hoping once I get good at this, I can actually set up like St. Patrick's Day parties for you guys, Valentine's Day parties, things like that. And then we can share them amongst our team because that is what we're here for, is to help each other. So if you want to sign up, this is my code to sign up. I do greatly appreciate it. For every 2 referrals that you get amongst your team, you would get $10 off. So you essentially would get a free month. And then for the next 2 that sign up with a paying subscription, you would get another month free, and so on and so forth. So this is my code. If you would like to sign up under me, I would greatly appreciate it. What you want to do is you can go to Facebook, templates in Facebook. And as you see here, I have different templates set up, and you can create a new template. And you can call it whatever you want and create it. So that's where I'm at right now. Right now I'm at the Color Street party, 1 hour long. Once it loads up here, you can see what I have so far. So 3 days before the party, I have how to apply Color Street. And we'll just give you a little preview of what this post looks like. So this is the way it's going to come up. And in here, what I have is I actually have, this is just my YouTube video of how to apply Color Street. If you see anything in orange where it says shop here at first name party link, and then the word party link is in orange. Once you import this template, these are going to come up and just tell you, okay, what's the name of your hostess for this party? You're going to say Susan, and it's going to change first name in orange in all of my posts to Susan for you. And then you're going to put in the party link, and it's going to change wherever the party link needs to be to whatever that custom party link is. So super, super easy to get a party set up in no time at all. You can also edit these posts if you want to make them personal or maybe change something around that I've given you, whatever the case is. So right now I am on, let's see here. So you can see the last one I have is party post number 2. It says at the bottom here, it's going to post 0 days before the starting time, because you're going to actually put the starting time of your party 5 minutes after the party has started, because the first party post is going to be exactly at the starting time, and then the second one 5 minutes after, and then 5 minutes and 5 minutes. That's how this is the one is going that I'm setting up. So next I'm going to do party post number 3, 10 minutes after starting time. So I'm going to come up here to new post. I'm going to leave this the way it is, 0 days before starting time, and we're doing relative to the starting time. So I'm going to do 10 minutes after the event starts. And I'm calling this party post number 3. So where I'm taking these from is I actually do have a group on Facebook. This is like my mock draft group, okay? My mock nail bar. This is where I've kept everything, and I've showed you guys other videos on how to copy and paste and go back and forth. So I'm just going to copy this here, and then I'm just going to quickly grab these pictures because they are somewhere in my phone, but it's just easier for me right now while I'm setting up to grab them, and then I'll just delete them after. Again, you can choose your own, you can make your own templates, or we can share templates amongst each other, because saving time is what we need to be doing so we can be recruiting and booking parties. I'm going to go back into Chrome here. And this title, party post number 3, is not going to come up. Anything that's in this box is going to actually be what's posted. So this post number 3 in party, I can like relabel this if I want to do that. Let's just do, no, Christy, don't do that. Ugh. Okay. I'm gonna say party post 3, because I like to leave my party posts labeled, and I like to even tell the members of the party that, just to tell them that it's an easy way for them to kind of go back and see where they left off for interacting to try to win the prize. Under attachments, you can go ahead and attach a Facebook album, which is really cool, a web link, image, video, etc. So I'm doing images, and now the drop down became even further, and I'm going to go ahead and upload images. Once you get into this, all of your previous images are going to be uploaded down here. So if you need one that you've already done, you can have it in your little gallery. And I'm going to take from the library, and I'm going to take them just like this, right? And I'm adding them in. Once they've loaded in here, you can go ahead and rearrange them how you see fit. So if it didn't kind of arrange the way that you wanted it to, you can rearrange. And I can just say that I really want that Midnight Manhattan first. I think the rest of these are okay. I kind of like this one second. All right, so I'll leave it like that. And I'm going to create the post. Now, if you're doing this on PC, for some reason, all of your emojis, your little, is that what they're called, emojis? Yeah, all of your emojis will come up as pictures. So just hit the X next to those underneath where all of the pictures are. They will still stay in your post, but they won't show up like as a picture. So I'm just going to quickly do a second one for you just so you can get the idea of it. Party post number 4, and we're doing it 15 minutes after, so I'm going to come up top. And I'm doing it 15 minutes after the event starts. This is going to be party post number 4. And I'm just going to jump back on Facebook. And this is my post number 4. So I'm going to copy all of this. And nothing is in here. I wish there was something in here that was specific to the hostess, but we'll just pretend that there is. So I'm going to see. I'll just go ahead and do this. Save the pictures. Save the pictures. And that's it. Okay, so now we're going to go back. We're going to paste it. Oops. Okay. excuse me, let's say that you did want to add in here, or somewhere in here was where the person's name is supposed to be. Like Susan, this is one of Susan's favorite things, or something like that, right? Um, Instead of typing the person's name, you would go ahead and you would type in these little arrow brackets and type in first name. Okay. And you would type that in the same way you want it on all of the posts. So then when it comes time to actually import this for a specific party, the app is going to ask you what the person's first name is. And when you type in Susan, it's going to fix it and it's going to throw that in everywhere that these little brackets are. If you need a little bit further explanation, I can go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to take it back out because I don't really want that in this post. I do have pictures to add, so I'm going to add pictures. The drop-down box becomes longer. We're going to upload, photo library, and here we are again. So these are the 3 that I had on that post. And there you have it. Create. Now you can see I'm on party post number 4. Still have, I think, about 4 more to go before I get this template set up. And like I said, my next adventure is going to work on a completely generic one for you guys. Surprise, another thing you can do, and we can do amongst the team, that I'm thinking about doing is maybe giving some kind of incentive or a prize, setting up an entire month's worth of interactive posts. So that template you can give out to your team, and February 1st, it will make a post in their VIP group. Hey, it's the 1st. Today I'm having a sale, blah, blah, blah. Hey, it's February 2nd. It's National Cupcake Day or whatever with a picture. Hey, it's February 3rd. And you could have all of these, you could have the entire month planned out on Vizzlie without even worrying about it. So you have time to worry about doing your income producing activities. You could even schedule the income producing activities, things like that. But I'm thinking about trying to do a complete month shell for our entire team as well. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I'll do a separate video on how to actually import a template into a group next. Thank you.